Hello friends, today we are at Green India Nursery located at Kundatur Main Road, Kovur, Chennai. It may not be your city, but still I request you to kindly watch the video so that we can evaluate about purchasing of the plants through online. Is it better or visiting to the local nursery? At last it depends on individual choice, but we can review some of the advantages of direct purchase from the nursery, like glimpse of lovely and beautiful flowers like what we are seeing currently. In this video I'll try to share the names of the plant and the prices what I've been buying here or been available here, and some more details related to this nursery. So request you to kindly watch the video till last. All this beautiful flower what you seeing currently is pricing around 30 rupees, which is Putinea and Dianthus. But then I'm going to tell you the prices from different other flower. And the chrysanthemum, which is using the variegated one or the shade on top, this is costing around 70 rupees. So by the time you have understood that, the nursery, when we go, the undisputed advantage is that to pick a right plant, the right quality plant, and that's something which is going to bloom very well with us. So we proceed further, and here is the some more option for you with the price. And this is the marigold, which is around 30 rupees and available in a grow bag. It's always been very adorable. And this is the hibiscus, which is basically hybrid one, which is costing around 200 rupees, and it is in a pot. The regular hibiscus also they have, which is around 750 rupees to 70 rupees. And this chrysanthemum, as you said, that variegated one, or the shade on the leaf, not exactly to call variegated. So all chrysanthemum is almost 70 rupees, and the gerbera is around 70 rupees. So by the time you understood that this is one flower, this lemongrass is around 30 rupees. So lemongrass is very easy to grow, and I think many of must be doing this. The croutons, this variety of croutons is costing around 50 rupees. Again, they have a varieties of croutons. We'll be watching in further. So some of these things, is very much available. Tulsi, this is Tangleheart, which is almost costing a 50 rupees and comes with a pot. We can also find some more plant for hanging basket, like the asparagus one, which is costing around 30 rupees. So there is ample of choices are there. That's Before moving ahead, let me welcome you to my channel Gardening for All. And if you have not subscribed my channel, request you to kindly subscribe, because your subscription matters a lot for me. We'll continue watching this. We'll continue also evaluating our thoughts regarding buying it online or going to nursery and buying. And here is about button roses. It is an 8-inch pot and costing around 150 rupees. It looks so beautiful, and even now you can see a series of rose flower varieties with color and plant. And there's a different sizes are there, like 2 liter, 5 liter, which is basically a size of the bag where it is grown, and costing around 50 rupees, and then it moves on further. So this nursery, what I found is that one variety plants looks very fresh, and pricing is also good. So that's something which is I've been highly adorable about this nursery so far. We'll be moving ahead. We'll be talking about various other things, and this is something kind of a shade loving or indoor plant, which again you can see a tetra crouton. This is a 75 rupees, but then there's a multiple variety. Telling you each variety price is obviously going to take a lot of time. And the one good thing which I have noticed here is that whenever the plants are transported, they're put under the green shade, which basically allow the plant to settle down. As you can see, the chili plant was kept under green shade, which is costing a 30 rupees. And this is the grapevine. I think it just has arrived, and you can see the thing. And this is also cost around 30 rupees, and it can be grown, especially a weather like Chennai, which will be helpful. And that's something, 30 rupees you're getting of grapevine, and then you can grow further. And here we can see a series of agnonimas. Then this is a golden money plant, which is around 100 rupees. And then Zizi plant is there. This is what the 4 stems Zizi plant is there, and this is costing around 250 rupees. So rosemary is what, 30 rupees. So as you can say, the varieties of indoor plants are there, and the good part is that it's all kept in a green shade area, so that it are pretty healthy. It's not that they exposed to sun. So the aim of this nursery is not just to sell the plant, but to ensure that the ambience provided to the plant very well. And that's something very important, right? Because at last, when we buy and bring these plants to our home, it should be survive with us. And this is where the succulent and varieties of cactus they have, and the pricing starts from 150 onward. So like each one obviously telling is a bit difficult, but then I'm giving you the range, which makes you understand that okay, what could be the price range we can find if we visit to a nursery like this. A peperonima is there which is 150 rupees, when like I myself has purchased for a bit higher price. Anyway, that's the thing. So we have a bonsai, they have a bonsai a variety of plant ficus also, which is around 1500. So this is something which we spoke about, all indoor plant and all these things. But let's move on and see what they have apart from that. What else the other equipment? So what I have found that they have various manures, varieties of manures, pesticides, organic fertilizers, and something which is helpful for our gardening hobbies. And now the grow bags, green shades, liners, pots, and the best part is that this all pricings are starting from 30 rupees, 40 rupees, and based on the sizes it goes. So it's not very expensive. That's what I'm trying to say, that when we try buying something online, it always appear to be very expensive compared to when you go here and find. And that's what I am realizing it today. And this is the potting soil mix which he was showing me, and it has multiple component, and this is just 120 rupees per bag. As you can see, there's ample of bags are there. So it's cost and quality effective. Now this is our spider lily plant, which is around 50 rupees. The gardenia which was there with flower, again it's again around 50 rupees. And Rangoon creeper, this is what something I purchased from here. And if you have not seen my video, I've grown it in a big pot and it's bloomed very well. I have revived that plant again. This is a sapota plant which is costing around 1500, but this is actually a tree. And they also have a smaller size of sapota, which is around 200. So various fruiting plants they have, like coconut, plus for few more flowering plant like Arali at 50, Plumeria pudica at 50. Apart from that, they have varieties of fruities like mango, guava, banana. Then you have almonds, pomegranate, sweet lime, lemon. So varieties are there, and this is the beautiful Christmas tree. So long story short, what I have found is that so when we visit such kind of nursery, we can get ample of choices of plants, trees, based on our level of interest and the requirement. And like this gentleman, we'll find some great owner who will be helpful to us. He's been showing us the varieties of jasmine. This is just costing around 30 rupees. And the best part is that he even helps us to grow the plant. Initially he'll guide us, okay, how to grow the plant. So if we get someone like this, especially a hand holding great, goes very easy. And if you are a new beginner or a learner or even an expert, it is always good to share the knowledge through someone who is already experienced. So he's been spent good time in horticulture and have been having a quite depth knowledge about it. So all this comes as a package. And this is what he's showing me, a gooseberry plant, which is again a sampling, and is costing around 30 rupees. So it's varieties are there, options are there. We can choose the quality, we can choose the choice what we are looking. This is the mango of Baganapalli variety, which has been popular in this part of the world, and was having a ample of palms, and then banana trees and also. As this goes without saying that a nursery visit, again it's my opinion, you have a free to take your own opinion, and you can form your own opinion also, is I can find ample of choices. And one side is that quality, one side is the pricing, second is a kind of a knowledge sharing, or somebody guides you or helps you to grow it, because you're going to put a lot of effort and time. And if does not succeed, the plant does not succeed, then at one point of time we'll be back with the beautiful flower called night blooming jasmine. If you have this plant at your home, you can enjoy the fragrance. I am really feeling highly lucky about this. You can also watch the video. I have made the video about this plant, and it's very easy to grow. So thanks for watching. Have a fantastic time. Thank you.